There is mounting speculation that King Charles III could strip his own son Prince Harry of his royal title. This comes as Harry and Meghan reportedly worry that Charles could remove their titles following the potentially explosive fallout from Harry's forthcoming memoir, Spare. However, the Express royal correspondent Richard Palme revealed that Charles is in fact powerless to strip the Duke and Duchess of Sussex of their titles. Speaking to the Royal Roundup host Pandora Forsyth, Mr. Palme said that there is no legislation in place that would give Charles the power to strip his son and his wife of their titles. He said that such a move would be astonishing and require new laws passed by Parliament. Mr. Palme said, "I would be astonished if they were stripped of their titles. I think things would have had to get to an awful stage for that to happen." Just in, experts expose another one of these little holes in Sussex's claims. There is mounting speculation that King Charles III could strip his own son of his titles. Image, Getty. Palme said that there is no law in place that would give Charles the power to strip titles. Image, Getty. He pointed out that even after Edward VIII abdicated and reportedly collaborated with the Nazis, he kept his title as the Duke of Windsor. The Express royal correspondent said, "If Edward and Wallis Simpson weren't stripped of their titles, it's hard to think that could happen with Harry and Meghan. It's actually really difficult, and in fact more or less impossible, to strip somebody of a dukedom at the moment. There might be legislation to change that, that would be Parliament's job, but there isn't legislation at the moment that would allow that. It is not something the king could do with a stroke of a pen." Bauer said the king is not likely to offer titles to the couple's children, Archie and Lilibet. Image, Getty. He added that Charles is expected to ask for new legislation to expand the number of councillors of state under the Regency Act. Earlier this week, royal author Tom Bauer raised the possibility of Harry and Meghan's titles being removed. The royal author said that Spare, set for release in January, could be the final straw for Charles if it damages the monarchy's reputation. Don't miss, former Obama aide refuses to say whether Biden should run again. Interview, Queen Camilla forced to climb through window to attend engagement. Video, Netanyahu's return to the premiership is within reach. Comment. Trending. Tom Bauer raised the possibility of Harry and Meghan's titles being removed. Image, Getty. Publishers Penguin Random House has said the book penned by the Duke of Sussex will be filled with raw, unflinching honesty and will be 416 pages long. Mr. Bauer told the Mirror that the Duke and Duchess are very worried about Charles stripping them of their Sussex title if they misbehave. He claims the king has made various threats to Meghan and Harry, warning they will find themselves ostracized if significant damage is done to the firm. He added that the king is not likely to offer titles to the couple's children, Archie, 3, and Lilibet, 1. Read next, Queen Camilla forced to climb through window to attend engagement. Mike Tyndall devoted to wife Zara, but he will cope in jungle. Prince Harry should get on with his own life instead of cashing. Queen Maxima dons extraordinary floral coat with 3 daughters. Meghan Markle reminded public she is a person with Spotify podcast.